Good morning, mountain slugs. Today it's Throttle Thursday again, and today we're going for a killer ride up into these mountains up here. We're gonna go check out an old mining area, kind of a small mining town that's up there. Look at some of the old buildings, whatever's left over. So let's rip this. Alright, so we're not even close to where we want to go, and I just discovered, or Xander discovered, that I have got a big problem with my tire. So we're going to try to put a bacon strip in there from the mountain bike kit and see what happens. I don't know if it'll plug that or not, but we'll give it a try.
Enough?
I hope so. It looks like they are.
Oh yeah, it should be.
Should be big enough for a plug.
Get that ready.
Yeah.
You gotta ream the hole though.
Yeah, so I gotta do that first. So
we're gonna have to pull it out.
I know. Pull it out. Oh, pull it, pull it. All right. Jeez. Wow, where the hell do you pick something like that up, and how is that even perfect that it even fit? We're keeping that one. That's a memento.
You want to try it?
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. All right. And then you jam this in, and then you pull it out?
Yeah.
Never had to use these yet, dude.
It's just like a car sticking out. Okay, you ready?
Yep. Pull it. You twist it.
I don't know.
And then pull it back out part way. Okay, well, it's good to know that mountain bike tubeless tire equipment they have here. Got the CO2 canister. I don't think I need to fill up the air. I think I was probably a little overinflated, but I mean, tire plug worked. So we'll keep an eye on it. We kind of had to use two, but I've never used these before. You just see videos on them, but it should be good. I think we're just gonna keep on going. Worst case, Xander will have to turn around and go get the truck. Where we're going, we can get the truck, but yeah, we'll keep riding. We'll check everybody else's tires, make sure we're good. But I've got a weird thing about picking up weird stuff.
Giant nails.
Giant nails in tires. I mean, you've seen the gravel bike one. Well, actually, we didn't film that one, but we were on a gravel bike ride, and we were going behind the dump road, and I picked up a big old nail, and it actually went through the one side of the tire, through the other side of the sidewall, and then pulled itself back in and just beat the living crap out of my rim and my rim tape for my sealant. I don't know, I just pick up nails for some reason, so I don't get flats otherwise. It's wild. Yeah, we'll keep on going. We're headed up that way, up into that mountain, and yeah, it should be good. Crisis averted. Be prepared.
Here we are at the old towing convention, just going up this dirt road. Oh, here comes the tow truck now. Man, ain't it beautiful what machines can do? Man plus machine can do anything.
There's the town right there.
Oh, it's under.
All right, we made it to the little ghost town area. We had to tow Miley. You'll see footage of that. She just does not have power. I think we're gonna have to get her a bigger bike. It just doesn't have it to get up here. We have plenty of power. I was pulling her. My belt is definitely not liking it. It's pretty hot, but we're gonna stop here because we made it, and we're just gonna walk around and explore and check this place out. It's pretty awesome up here. It's an old building right here that has fallen. It's really nice and cool up here, and there's a bigger building right up here we're gonna go check out. But this is always awesome to see this big rock structure. And there's a big ore chute over here. We'll walk around and share our explorations with you. There used to be a lot more wood, but I think a lot of people have taken it to make stuff with, or I don't know. So just be real careful where you step, because